Hello guys, this is ABHISHEK GARG and this is a presentation on input devices. So, why do we need input devices? Computer cannot understand our language because it understands only machine language, and it can be possible using some devices called input devices. These devices convert data and instruction to a form that can be recognized by the computer. An input device is a piece of computer hardware equipment used to provide data and control signals to an information processing system such as computer or information appliance. Example of input devices include keyboards, mouse, scanners, digital cameras, joysticks, etc. There are various types of input devices. For example, mouse, and the other one is keyboard. So the other example of input device is joystick. It's a really interesting device and my favorite one too. Joystick is a pointing device that works on the principle of trackball. To make the movement of spherical ball easier, it is placed in a socket with a stick mounted on it. On the most joysticks, a button on the top is provided to select the option currently pointed to by the cursor as shown in the figure below. Commonly used for controlling player movements in video or computer games, it is very useful. So, the question arises, what does an input device send to a computer? What an input device sends to a computer depends completely on the device. Additionally, all input devices send data from device over a cable or wireless transmission to the computer. For example, as you move a computer mouse, the data it sends to computer in the XY axis movements that the computer uses to display the mouse cursor on the screen. You can see a live example of this on X-axis definition. So the other question is, why does a computer need an input device? Today, input devices are important because they are what allows you to interact with and add new information to a computer. For example, if a computer had no input devices, it could run by itself, but there would be no way to change its settings, fix errors or other various users interactions. Also, if you wanted to add new information to the computer, example text, command, document, picture, etc., you would not be able to do so without an input device. Thank you, and I hope that you like this small presentation on input devices.